Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today it is June 25, 2020, and we will discuss the technical analysis of Bitcoin. Yesterday there was a big decline in the price of Bitcoin. We see that we had the top here near this blue resistance line, and Bitcoin could not cross this resistance line, so we went down and we found support on this line, and after we found support we went up a little bit, and now the price is around 9,180. So what will the price do from now? We can go sideways in this triangle and then go down further, or we can break this support line and go into this zone. Then we will have a new support around 8,700, and once we breach this support line we will have a free fall, maybe until 5,000 or 6,000. The ATR indicator has gone up a little bit because the volatility has increased also. When we look at the bigger picture, we can see that the price of Bitcoin is still moving between the resistance lines, which have been valid since the beginning of 2018, and since the summer of 2019 we are in a so-called megaphone pattern. You can see this here. So we could not break these long time support lines. So we are still in a bear market, and the only way is down. And we can find support around 5,000 or around 2,800. And the stochastic RSI indicates that the decline has started when we reached the top in February, the stochastic RSI indicated very well that we would have a decline. So the same is happening now. When we look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, we see a little breakout out of this triangle pattern, but it's too soon to draw a conclusion, because if we have a bigger decline, we can expect that the big Bitcoin dominance will go up again until this support line, and when we breach this resistance, we will have an even bigger bear market. This chart has a pattern with Fibonacci circles. We see that the price of Bitcoin closely followed this circle. This is the top, and we found resistance, and then we had a decline until the next circle. And now we are back on this circle, and probably we will follow this circle going down. And this is another Fibonacci pattern. And each line represents a support or a resistance. And when we moved up this line, we came down again. We found resistance on this line. Then we had a dump until this line. We found a little bit of support, and we went down to the next line, and we found support again. But the expectation is that we will continue to go down even more. And the Bitcoin price is also closely correlated to the stock market. This is a chart of the S&P 500 index. And yesterday we had a plunge of 2 or 3%. And we broke this blue support line around June 11th. Here we have retested the support line, but we could not breach it. So we can expect a further decline until this resistance zone around 2800, or we can retest this low, but it will take a while before we get there. This was all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you tomorrow.